Hi viewers, in this video we are going to discuss the extraction of few metals from their ores. This table shows the ores of some important metals. This video is for the students who are preparing for the competitive exams like NEET, IIT, JEE. First, we shall discuss the extraction of iron from its ore, hematite. Hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron pyrite, limonite are the important ores of iron. Iron is mostly extracted from the ore hematite. The first step should be the pulverization. The ore is broken into smaller particles of required size. Second step, concentration of the ore. We know that oxide ores are concentrated by gravity separation method. So thus the hematite is concentrated by gravity separation method. Since it is already oxide ore, it is calcined or roasted to remove the water molecules and sulfides of other compounds and easily volatile elements such as phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, etc. as their volatile oxides. The Ellingham diagram for the formation of iron oxide, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are shown here. From this diagram it is clear that when iron oxide is heated with carbon above 400 degrees Celsius, it could be reduced to iron. The iron oxide ore is mixed with limestone and coke and fed into the top of the blast furnace. From the bottom of this furnace, hot air is blown. As the mixture of ore, limestone and coke moves down, they decompose to give metallic iron. The various reactions taking place at the different reagents of blast furnace are shown here. The iron obtained in this process is called pig iron. It contains about 4% carbon and the other elements like sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, manganese in smaller amount. When pig iron is melted with iron scrap and coke using hot air blast, cast iron is obtained, which has about 3% carbon. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. It is obtained by heating hematite with carbon in reverberatory furnace. Next we shall discuss the extraction of copper from its ore. Copper pyrite, copper glance, cuprite, malachite, azurite are the important ores of copper, and copper is extracted from copper pyrite. So first step is the pulverization. Ore is broken into smaller particles. Second step is concentration of the ore. Here the ore is sulfide ore, so it is concentrated by froth flotation process. Since it is a sulfide ore, it is roasted to get oxide ore. The iron sulfide present in this ore is converted into iron oxide. This iron oxide formed is a basic material. To this, silica, which is acidic, is added as flux to form iron silicate slag. Part of the iron sulfide only is oxidized to iron oxide. Remaining iron sulfide reacts with cuprous oxide, giving cuprous sulfide. This iron oxide again removed by silica. Then cuprous sulfide and cuprous oxide react themselves to form copper and sulfur dioxide. This is called self reduction. Next we shall discuss the extraction of zinc. The important ores of zinc are zinc blende, calamine and ginsite. Among this, zinc blende and calamine are the important ores of zinc, and mostly zinc is extracted from calamine. In the first step, the ore is broken into powder of required size or particles of required size. Being carbonate ore, it is concentrated by gravity separation method. Then this ore is calcined to get zinc oxide. So the zinc carbonate is heated in the absence of air to get zinc oxide. From the Ellingham diagram, we can find that carbon is a suitable reducing agent for zinc oxide. Here, molten zinc oxide is heated with carbon. So from the Ellingham diagram, carbon can be used as reducing agent. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you want to provide suggestions, you can reach us through the email IDs given or the WhatsApp number 94863 77825. If you want to watch further videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.